In this video, I will answer your query of how to install the APK files on your iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. So to answer your query of how to install the APK files, let me just first explain you that APK files are meant for Android smartphones. Yes, you can install the APK files only on Android smartphones, but not on iPhones. There is not even a single method available to install the APK files on iPhone. See, uh, for Android we have the APK files, but for iPhone we have IPA files. Yes, if you want to install an app outside the Play Store, you search for APK files. For example, if you want to install the Instagram app, you search for Instagram APK on your Android. But on your iPhone, you search for Instagram IPA. So just search for Instagram IPA, look for the appropriate website, download and install the IPA file on your iPhone. So I hope I have answered your query of how to install the APK files on iPhone.